We already discussed how to take backup of your contacts, photos, SMS, and apps without rooting your phone, and those methods also work on rooted phones. But the question is why we need another backup app for our phone. First, on non-rooted phones, you can't back up apps with data, and you have to restore apps manually one by one in non-rooted phones. If you want to keep your apps and data safe if anything happens to your phone, or if you flash custom ROMs frequently, or if you change your devices, you need an app like Titanium Backup. It will back up your Android apps with data. You can also take backup of system apps and data, but it may cause problems, so not recommend it. Follow the below guide to take backup your Android apps and data with Titanium Backup. You need a rooted device to use Titanium Backup. First, backup your data and save the backup folder to your SD card or PC. To restore, you have to download Titanium Backup app from Play Store or just install it if you already save it to SD card. So today we discuss how to back up your Android apps and data with Titanium Backup, how to restore Android apps and data, and how to set up Titanium Backup. Note, you must have BusyBox installed and USB debugging enabled on your phone. This app works on the rooted device only. If you not already rooted your phone, you can check our guide of how to root an Android phone with one click. If you don't want to root your phone and still want to back up your phone, then you can check how to back up your Android phone without root. Titanium Backup folder is at the root of internal storage. Save it on PC for safe side. How to back up your Android apps and data with Titanium Backup. 1. Download and install the app from Play Store and it'll prompt for root access granted. 2. After granting SuperSU permission, the app will check for system settings. It will show you the main screen overview once it checked that you have BusyBox installed and USB debugging enabled. 3. Now set up your backup location by selecting Preferences from the main menu. You can choose your backup location. Also, you can back up your phone data on the cloud. It has 3 options for cloud storage: Dropbox, Box, and Google Drive. 4. You have 2 options to take backup. First, backup an app individually or backup all apps at once. To backup a single app, go to Backup Restore option, click on the app and click Backup. It will back up your app. 5. For batch operation, move to the batch option from main menu. With the batch backup, you can back up all user apps, all system apps not recommended, and all user apps with data in a single click. Also, the app has an option to back up all newly installed apps and newer version of the apps. 6. For batch operation, click on Run button next to back up all user apps, or you can choose any method from the list. It will show all your apps when you click on Run button. Now select all apps and click on the green check mark that located on the right corner. It will start the backup process as soon as you click on green tick. 7. It will take some time to back up all apps, so you can minimize the app. The app will notify you when backup completed. So this is the process of backing up your Android apps and data with Titanium Backup. How to restore your apps with Titanium Backup. 1. To restoring your first time, you have to choose the Titanium Backup folder location from Preferences. 2. Now go to the Batch menu by going to Menu greater than Batch, or navigate to Backup Restore screen if you want to restore single app. 3. Now in Batch menu, you can see many options to restore your apps, like Restore all user apps, Restore all system apps, or Restore all user apps and system data. The choice is yours what you want to restore. 4. For batch operation, click on Run button next to Restore all user apps with data and click on the green tick on the next screen. 5. The restoring process will start, and it will restore all your apps with data. Restore game progress, and you found all your apps as before when you created the backup. What else you can do with Titanium Backup? 1. Creating a recovery backup.zip file. You not only back up your Android apps and data with Titanium Backup, but you can also create a .zip file of backup to flash it via recovery. This is an excellent option if you flash a custom ROM a lot. To create a recovery-compatible zip file, navigate to Create Update.zip from the main menu and start the process. When the process is completed, you can find Update.zip file in the phone's internal storage. To restore, just select Update.zip from TWRP and flash the file. To schedule your backup, why to remember to make a backup every time when you have an option of auto-schedule backup. To schedule your backup, navigate to Schedule tab where you see 2 options. First one is Redo Backups for modified data, and the second one is Backup new user and system apps and newer version, or you can add new to schedule anything else. Now click on Edit button, choose date and time and enable it. You can also set charge, state and filter for your scheduled backup. 3. Freeze an app. There are many apps in your phone that you don't use. So why to keep them? You simply freeze, disable or defrost any app with this Titanium Backup. For that, click on the app and click on the freeze or defrost button. 4 special features with Titanium Backup. You not only take backup but also do many more important things. If you are low on internal storage, you can move your apps to SD card. You can convert any user app to system app. If you don't want automatic updates of a particular app, you can disconnect that app from the market. You can clear app cache with the help of this app, and you can also extract your Android or ADB backup. So this is the complete guide of how to back up your Android apps and data with Titanium Backup. If you have any doubts, comment below.